With 200 quadrillion tokens of Shibadoge, how much can we really make? Because Shibadoge is expected to make a lot of people millionaires like Shiba Inu. Remember, Shibadoge is the combination of Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Now, this token actually, for me, still need a lot of social media publicity and still need a lot of, in fact, it had a long way to go, but people have actually marked this token that this token is actually going to pump. Now, at the time of recording this video, you need about $150 investment in order to purchase 200 quadrillion coins of Shibadoge. Remember, people that bought billions of Shiba Inu coins when Shiba Inu just started in 2020 became millionaires with Shiba Inu. Yes, that is the truth. I know somebody who really made a lot of money with Shiba Inu because they actually bought this coin. That was in late 2020, and in 2021 Shiba Inu became a pump. Now, Shibadoge, I believe next year, 2023, is going to be the year for Shibadoge. It's going to be the year Shibadoge is expected to dominate. Now, why I love Shibadoge is for the fact that if Ethereum World actually had interest on Shibadoge, that was about 2 months ago, it simply means Shibadoge have what it takes to really grow. Although right now they don't really have that support, but I believe Shibadoge developers are actually working well in making sure that the price of Shibadoge will keep increasing in value. A token that is currently trading with 15.0, of course. What do you expect? You're all expecting the token to at least lose within 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, though it's going to take a long time. But one thing that will push Shibadoge, if the crypto trader will just have interest on Shibadoge and maybe people start buying with the coins like Shibadoge, of course, we are expecting Shibadoge to lose between 2 to 3 even before the end of next year, because yes, it's going to attract a lot of crypto traders, crypto investors. It's going to attract a lot of people that will be buying Shibadoge token and will be holding Shibadoge token. Now, Shibadoge losing 2.0, of course, it simply means your $150 to be worth about $15,000. Yeah, that's what it is. That is a profit of $14,850 within the period of 12 months or 15 months. To me, it's a good one. Well, let's keep hoping that the price of Shibadoge will keep pumping, and let's hope by next year, of course, I have that belief that Shibadoge is actually going to increase in next year. Shibadoge is going to pump. So by the end of next year, with 200 quadrillion coins, I think you're expected to make between $1,500 to $15,000, and to me, it's a good investment. So remember, this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.